Ever asked yourself why skincare is so important? Or why the market brims with countless face creams? Skincare is more than just a beauty routine, it's a health regimen. Our skin is the body's largest organ, and it works hard every day to protect us from harmful elements. Taking care of your skin helps this process along, and it can even stave off the aging process. Now let's talk about the elephant in the room, the overwhelming variety of skincare products. From creams to serums, from gels to masks, the options are endless. Each product promises miraculous results, making it an uphill task to choose the right one. But fear not, we've got you covered. Imagine if someone sifted through this maze of products and handpicked the best face creams for you based on real customer reviews and sales data. Now, wouldn't it be great if someone did the hard work and listed the top face creams for you? Here it is, the moment you've been waiting for, the countdown of the best face creams on the market. Let's dive right in. Starting us off at number 5 is the Nourishing Face Cream from the brand Nourish and Glow. This cream is packed with key ingredients like hyaluronic acid and vitamin E. It's perfect for those looking for deep hydration and a healthy glow. Moving on to number 4, we've got Miracle Revival Face Cream. This one stands out for its anti-aging properties thanks to its unique blend of retinol and peptides. It's truly a miracle worker for those looking to turn back the clock. At number 3, we have the Sun-Kissed Radiance Face Cream. This one's a fan favorite for its SPF protection and brightening effects, all thanks to its formula enriched with vitamin C and niacinamide. Coming in at number 2, we've got Hydra Boost Face Cream. This one is all about hydration, and more hydration. Its star ingredient, hyaluronic acid, promises to keep your skin plump and moisturized all day long. And finally, drumroll please, at number 1, we have the luxurious Ageless Elixir Face Cream. This cream is a game changer with its potent mix of antioxidants, peptides, and retinol. It promises to deliver not just hydration, but also firmness and a youthful glow. And there you have it, our top picks for the best face creams out there. Let's quickly run through the creams we just discussed and their benefits. These top-rated creams, backed by real customer reviews, personal sales stats, and open data, offer hydration, anti-aging properties, and that radiant glow we all crave. From the all-encompassing product lines of our top manufacturers, you're sure to find the perfect match for your skincare needs. Remember, the right cream can do wonders for your skin. So choose wisely and give your skin the love it deserves.